America. I'd like you all to welcome Vice President Al Gore and Bill Clinton, the President of the United States.
Thank you very much.
A true American hero who will fulfill the American dream. Your American dream. Thank you.
I'm a typical American guy. I eat typical American food.
And I am Malik Book Manawana Guna Woona Hoody Woody Kuda Muda I stop Shabba Shah. Y'all can call me Cool Head.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to tell you that life is like a packet of M&Ms.
Yeah.
I'm Rosie Nader. This is Melanie King. We're the presidential and vice presidential candidates for the Green Party.
The cat is in the litter box.
What?
Section 1 and 2 secure!
trillion to the bank with interest. This is the equivalent of 2 million McDonald's Happy Meals.
As free candy. Everyone has to pay for their own candy. This is distasteful and destructive, and this must stop. Ladies and gentlemen, 68% of you wanted a new political party because you were sick and tired of the Democrats and Republicans. Well, here we are. We are the new Reform Party. Vote Reform, vote for Ross Perot, and have a nice day. Thank you.
I hereby declare this convention closed. Thank you.
And Malik Book Mana Wana Luna Wuna Huli Wuli Muta Muta Ice Dog Shabba Shah, also known as Cool Cat.
And the Vice President, Malana Buna.
You want to say something, you can do something your daddy never did. Maybe you want to say something, you won an election.
We'd just like to thank all of you guys that voted for us.
And everyone that helped out.
Yeah, thanks so much to Jay Young.